The best wireless chargers for your phone and wearables. Wireless phone chargers continue to advance in technology just the same as our smartphones. Their popularity with consumers might not be at level of plug-in chargers, but over the years many people have become more interested in the convenience of being able to place their device down to begin charging immediately. Still, delving into the world of wireless chargers isn't as simple as plug and play. Watch the video till the end to learn more about wireless chargers and to find the best one for your tech. Number 1. Universal Charger Mophie 15 watt wireless charging pad. For an all-purpose charger, try the Mophie 15 watt wireless charging pad. It's a universal wireless charger advertised to work with the iPhone, Google Pixel and Samsung Galaxy brands, as well as other Qi-enabled devices. It delivers up to 15 watts for speeder recharging times and through cases up to 3 millimeters thick. Number 2. Best Value Universal Charger U-Tech Wireless Charger. The U-Tech Wireless Charger is a universal wireless charger that has its power level laid out for different devices. It charges up to 10 watts for Samsung devices, up to 7.5 watts for iPhones, and up to 5 watts for other Qi-enabled devices. It also charges through cases up to 4 millimeters thick. Thicker cases might have to be removed to ensure an efficient charge. Number 3. Best Value Anker Wireless Charger. The Anker Wireless Charger is a universal wireless charger that delivers up to 10 watts for Samsung devices, up to 7.5 watts for iPhones and up to 5 watts for other Qi-enabled devices such as wearables and earbuds. It can also charge devices in cases up to 5 millimeters thick. It comes with a 4-foot micro USB cable. Number 4. Best for Samsung phones Samsung Wireless Charger Convertible. The Samsung Wireless Charger Convertible allows you to take advantage of different positions so you can still use your smartphone while it's charging. The charger comes with a kickstand to prop it up into a stand mode, or it can be laid flat like a pad. This flat mode can be ideal for charging other products such as wearables, foldables or earbuds. It charges devices up to 9 watts and features an LED indicator light which alerts a green status when a device is fully charged, a red status for a currently charging device, and a flashing red status for a charging error. It comes with a 15-watt wall charger and a USB-C cable. Number 5. Best for iPhones Apple MagSafe Charger. The MagSafe charger is Apple's bread and butter when it comes to wireless chargers. Although iPhones can charge on pretty much any Qi-enabled wireless charger, the MagSafe charger is made specifically for this handset. It's compatible with the iPhone 8 or later and charges devices up to 15 watts. The MagSafe does not come with any accessories as its 1-meter USB-C cable is attached. Number 6. Best for Pixel phones Google Pixel Stand. The Pixel Stand is compatible with many of the latest Google devices including the Pixel 5, Pixel 4 and 4 XL and Pixel 3 and 3 XL among others. It's also compatible with other Qi-based smartphones and it charges devices up to 10 watts. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable and power adapter. Number 7. Best for Apple device charging Belkin MagSafe 3-in-1 wireless charger. The Belkin MagSafe 3-in-1 wireless charger is an Apple exclusive charger that can charge iPhones, Apple Watches and AirPods with a MagSafe charging standard. It charges up to the 15 watts for the iPhone 12 series. Number 8. Cleans as it charges. Lexon Oblio wireless charger with built-in UV sanitizer. The Lexon Oblio wireless charger is an interesting product because it doubles as sanitizer. Instead of a stand or a pad, the charger is shaped like a vase that you can place your device into for charging and sanitizing. It can support devices with a screen size between 4.7 to 6.6 inches, case included. It uses UVC sanitization to kill 99.9% of germs from a device display in 20 minutes. The charger is compatible with all QI enabled devices and charges up to 10 watt. Number 9. Best for older phones. Amazon Basics Wireless Charging Stand. The Amazon Basics wireless charging stand is a universal wireless charger. However, it is not compatible with many of the latest smartphones such as the iPhone 12, the Samsung Galaxy S21 or Galaxy S20. The stand charges up to 10 watts for LG and Samsung phones and up to 7.5 watts for iPhones. The charger comes with a 4-foot USB-C cable. Number 10. Best for multi-device charging. Nomad Wireless Charging Base Station Hub Edition. Samsung Note devices, Google Nexus 7 tablet, Amazon Fire 7 tablet, Apple AirPods Pro and AirPods with wireless charging case, Samsung Galaxy Buds and Buds Live.